Welcome back to the channel, where the unknown becomes the unforgettable. Today, we unravel a mystery that lies at the intersection of science and the paranormal, a topic as vast as the universe itself: dimensional beings and the science of parallel universes. Have you ever wondered if the reality we perceive is just a thin veil over a far greater, incomprehensible cosmos? What if there are realms beyond our reach, inhabited by beings so extraordinary they defy explanation? From fleeting shadows in the corners of our vision to objects in the sky that seem to vanish into thin air, could these phenomena hint at hidden dimensions just waiting to be explored? The science of parallel universes and higher dimensions. Let's begin with science, a realm often seen as rigid and confined, yet brimming with imagination when it comes to understanding the fabric of reality. Modern physics offers a stunning possibility. Our universe might not be the only one. It could be part of a multiverse, an endless collection of universes, each with its own rules and dimensions. String theory, a bold and fascinating framework, suggests the existence of up to 11 dimensions. While we're familiar with the 3 spatial dimensions and 1 of time, these additional dimensions are theorized to be hidden, compactified in ways our senses cannot detect. To grasp this, picture a being confined to a 2-dimensional plane, like a drawing on paper. It moves left, right, forward, and back, but cannot fathom up. Now imagine your 3-dimensional self touching that plane. To the being, your finger might appear as an inexplicable, shifting shape, much like how we might perceive entities from higher dimensions. Could these unseen dimensions explain phenomena we struggle to understand? The fleeting nature of paranormal experiences, for instance, might result from brief overlaps between our reality and others. If the barriers between dimensions ripple or weaken under certain conditions, could they provide a fleeting window into the multiverse? Shadow people, a glimpse of the unknown. Many of you have heard tales of shadow people, dark humanoid forms that seem to defy logic and reason. Descriptions of these figures vary, but they share one thing in common: they evoke an almost primal unease. Some report them as fleeting apparitions seen out of the corner of the eye, while others recount chilling encounters with figures that seem to watch silently, unmoving. Science offers explanations like sleep paralysis, optical illusions, or the tricks of a stressed mind. But could there be more to these experiences? Some researchers propose that shadow people might be interdimensional entities. Imagine beings from a higher dimension momentarily entering our 3-dimensional space. They might appear fragmented, their true forms distorted by our limited perception, exactly how shadow people are often described. Interestingly, these sightings often occur during altered states of consciousness, such as during deep meditation, heightened stress, or moments of near sleep. Could these conditions attune the human mind to perceive beyond its normal range? If so, shadow people might not just be figures of fear, but messengers from a dimension beyond our comprehension. Extraterrestrials, not of this world or dimension? Let's turn to the skies. The idea of extraterrestrial life has fascinated humanity for centuries. But what if these beings aren't from distant planets at all? What if they hail from another dimension? The behavior of many unidentified flying objects, UFOs, lends weight to this theory. Eyewitness accounts describe crafts moving at impossible speeds, making sharp turns that defy physics, and vanishing without a trace. If these entities aren't confined by the rules of our universe, their extraordinary capabilities make sense. Moreover, stories of alien encounters often involve beings that seem to materialize from nowhere. This phasing in and out could be evidence of interdimensional travel rather than interstellar. Ancient texts from various cultures describe heavenly beings descending through portals or gates, stories that, intriguingly, mirror modern UFO sightings. Could these accounts share a common origin rooted in dimensional travel? Bridging science and the paranormal. As strange as it seems, science and the paranormal might be closer allies than we think. Quantum physics, for instance, reveals a world where particles exist in multiple states at once and where entanglement connects them across unimaginable distances. Could these principles hint at the mechanics of interdimensional interaction? Similarly, the paranormal, shadow figures, mysterious lights, and unexplained encounters might be glimpses of phenomena science has yet to quantify. These experiences challenge us to think beyond what we know, and to consider possibilities that stretch the boundaries of reality itself. The mystery continues. Are shadow people and UFOs glimpses into parallel universes? Do dimensional beings walk among us unseen yet ever present? The answers remain elusive, but as our understanding of the universe grows, so too does our capacity to explore its mysteries. Until then, we can only speculate, wonder, and share our experiences. What do you think? Are dimensional beings the stuff of imagination, or an extraordinary reality waiting to be discovered? Let us know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. The truth is out there, waiting for us to find it.